of the Honorable Minister that जी कुडतोरी आमचे constituency change of zone बी जातात ती. I think you should avoid hills and avoid low-lying fields for the first thing. And I would request you, wherever environment much त्रास जाता, our village, our constituency is not a commercial constituency. म्हणजे I think hotel नाही, think hotel project नाही. Somehow we have kept it. So I would request the minister to just see that you don't do massive take into consideration the topography of the state, of the village, of the constituency. When you say town planning, I think 16 beach applications, some people have have paid charges, fees, when you do changing of zone. So I think you should refund those money, because some people have not got their money back. Illegal filling pots in Khazan and agriculture land, that should be stopped. Under no circumstances, low-lying Khazan land, agriculture land, you should have any filling done. If you can bring a law to stop such type of activity, we would well appreciate it. Regularization of housing, when you have regularized all houses, whatever houses you have regularized, migrant, there are people who have constructed houses, in the sense that from Portuguese times, there is no town planning rules, there was nothing. There was survey planner, there was license na. File kon teje case galta, kid case galta, saying that tuge license na ani kitna mon. There are a lot of houses. Anti mein repair bhi kile, survey planner hai ki repair kile. All this type of houses, I think you should regularize them. Je survey planner hai, je or you can make out many years bandla. Try and see whether you can regularize it, because that will help the people. Ani jo kon case karta hai, ekmuka chair, jao konu tya kenza tha problem tha. Suddenly somebody asked records of 1950s and 1930s. There was no regional, there was no town planning, there was no PWDJ approval. Not everybody had the approvals. So I would request, come with something which will help all this. Whereas, and when it comes to municipal administration, I would like to tell the Honorable Minister that Sasro issue padeha. Amge things zai jang leta ingai kon ekda hausan ullekh kela. Somebody did it manala Sasro. I would just like to bring to clarify. Amge padeha each and every assembly ami question gatle. Each and every assembly from 2007 to 2024, I have been putting questions, calling attentions for Sasro. Sasro issue, right from Mr. Digamar Kamath, when he was the chief minister, the short pant gun Sasro gallo upon Sasro clean kadmo. From that time we have supported him. Vijay Sardesai gallo. Vijay Sardesai thar gallo, mingalo thar ko Sasro koil gallo. Minister Zalakaina. I think he was with the present dispensation. Tenna gallo. We have always time and again supported him. And oile amchi allegation datale. Am allegation datale ki high powered committee meeting tigo is a member push घेताय म्हण. सदां उलयताय. आमचे कोण उलयताय? हावजांत जावं भायर कुडतरी सांगो भोंवताले की सोसडो हांव क्लियर करना, आमी क्लियर केलो म्हण, आपण क्लियर केलो म्हण, आपण हायकोर्टाक गेला आनी क्लियर केलो म्हण. हांव तेका विचारूं सोदता, हांव जावं विचारूं सोदिता बाबा तुमी कोण पयशे हायलायताय? Why don't you ask the High Court to check into the antecedents of those people also who have robbed the money? So we have been constantly for एक assembly calling attention down, जाऊं लिचडाचेर, जाऊं सगळी इश्यूचेर सांसड्यार continuously आम घेताय total. सांसडो म्हणतो clean जावपा जायो, सांसडो म्हणतो change जावपा. Fortunately, I want to praise the government during my tenure. Itu आमदार जायन गेले कुडतरे. In my tenure, that Sasro is going to be cleared. But I am not happy with it, in the sense that we always want something better. Present garbage yata Modogonsan, ti zaina, ti sarki segregate zaina, nae multi sarki zaina. I know you have shifted some of the present garbage to Kurshare, but see that something comes there, or you stop that plant and shift it somewhere else, which is creating such a eyesore for us. So much of problem. The groundwater is getting depleted. The groundwater is getting polluted with all sorts of things that are going in the groundwater. Speaker sir, even mercury and so many things. We have got lead, we have got everything going into the water of the wells of Raya and almost Kurtoni and surrounding housing wood areas, including the surrounding areas, like part of Fatorda. Speaker sir, I would request Honorable Minister to give us a clear-cut assurance when he is going to clear the Sastra. This time also we had a fire. Even this year we had a fire that was taking place. This time, so I would request the minister to take steps and see that that fire has been, that no cases of fire takes place. Because sir, high-powered committee chair, I think we have not had a, I think we have been blamed for not having a proper meeting. I would request the Honorable Chief Minister and the Minister to finish, like Vijay is on record saying that next high-powered meeting we will settle all the issues. I think we should once and for all clear what is there on the high-powered committee meeting. Margaon Sastra par yaha dijere 50 crores almost, sorry, Murmugam municipality chair, consolidated tax of coal companies, I think has been from operation some, it is due to the municipality. Please see that you get it. Unsafe buildings such a, please see that you recover. Unsafe building steps to be initiated at the earliest for unsafe buildings. Because sir, women and child chair, Graha Aadhaar beneficiaries have not received the message. Right, installment Paulana. Enhancing of Graha Aadhaar. See if you can enhance Graha Aadhaar because it is a need of our. There are a lot of people who come, who are genuinely in need of. Try and see if you can segregate who requires it more and try to give them in the first phase. Regular and time-bound coming to us. They come to us, see if you can give it earlier. Try and see if you can settle. Impact assessment survey category, they have not received their areas. Please see that they receive it. Not all pending Ladli Lakshmi applications of unmarried category have been sanctioned. There are a lot pending. See whether you can clear it. I know you are doing it year-wise. See if you can give it more. Ladli Lakshmi applicants who have applied after completing the age of 18, submitted marriage certificate, Thuriyasana Tengi application pending. See that you clear them. Ladli Lakshmi applications who have completed 18 years, they are pending since January 2023. Why don't you see whether you can repay pay their dues and clear some more applications. Graha Aadhaar applications whose surveys are conducted, forwarded to the department, are pending. Why don't you see that you clear those Graha Aadhaar? There are jail on Gyaldalai,